Quantum manifestation, unlocking the law of attraction. It's a common belief that the law of attraction is mere wishful thinking, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Influential scientists like Albert Einstein, Hendrik Lorentz, and Werner Heisenberg have laid the groundwork for understanding how our thoughts and emotions can shape our reality. At the core of the law of attraction lies the concept of frequency, a fundamental idea that everything in the universe, from sound to light, is made up of waves and vibrations. We live in a sea of frequencies. However, as humans, we can only perceive a tiny fraction of them. When it comes to sound, our ears pick up less than 1% of the full range of frequencies that exist. For light, our eyes detect an even smaller portion, just 0.0000035% of the electromagnetic spectrum. This concept of limited perception is crucial when discussing the law of attraction because it highlights how much is happening around us that we can't even begin to observe. And just like sound and light, our emotions are also frequencies, vibrating on a scale from low to high. Negative emotions such as fear, anger, and sadness vibrate at lower frequencies, while positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude resonate at higher frequencies. The idea is simple. The more we raise our emotional state, the closer we align ourselves to the higher, non-physical realms of possibility. By tuning into higher emotional frequencies, we put ourselves in a better position to attract the outcomes we desire. But how exactly does this work? This is where quantum physics enters the picture. At the quantum level, we see that particles behave in unpredictable ways, and reality itself becomes fluid and open to interpretation. Quantum field theory introduces us to the notion of multiple realities, a concept that has fascinated both scientists and spiritual thinkers alike. The idea here is that our reality is not fixed, but rather it exists as a collection of potential outcomes. By changing our frequency, we are essentially tuning into a different version of reality, much like adjusting the dial on a radio to pick up a new station. Think of it this way: you are like a radio, constantly broadcasting your emotions as frequencies into the universe. These emotions determine the channel of reality that you're tuned into. If you're stuck on the station of fear, you'll keep receiving experiences that align with that frequency. Perhaps more situations that cause stress, anxiety, or disappointment. However, if you shift to the frequency of joy, abundance, or gratitude, you will start attracting circumstances that match those higher states of being. The transformation starts within your own mind, your own thoughts, and your own emotions. Consider this. The simple act of imagining different scenarios, whether it's stepping out for a morning coffee or envisioning yourself living your dream life, creates new realities in the mind. Even Albert Einstein understood the power of imagination, using his dreams and daydreams to fuel scientific breakthroughs. The mind doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences. And this is a critical insight when it comes to manifestation. So now that we've laid out the scientific foundation, how can you begin to manifest effectively? The first step is to express your desires clearly to the universe. This can be done through visualization, where you close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself living your desired reality, or through a method known as scripting. Scripting involves writing out your goals as if they are already happening, using the present tense. This not only helps clarify your desires, but also allows you to emotionally connect with the future you wish to create. Once you've set your intention, the next step is to align your emotions with that desired outcome. How does thinking about your goal make you feel? Do you feel excited and inspired, or do you feel doubt and fear? Your emotions act as a compass, showing whether you're moving in the right direction. Positive emotions indicate that you're in alignment with your goal, while negative emotions suggest that you might need to shift your mindset or beliefs to match your desired reality. One of the most important aspects of manifestation is detachment. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about your desires. It means letting go of the need to control when and how they will manifest. Many people make the mistake of placing their desires on a pedestal, fixating on the absence of what they want instead of trusting the process. This can create resistance, which slows down the manifestation. Detachment is about releasing the need to obsess over your current circumstances and trusting that the universe will bring your desires to fruition in due time. It's crucial to remember that your current life does not define your potential future. Just because things aren't as you want them to be now, doesn't mean they can't change. You are in control of your vibrational state, and by consistently tuning into higher frequencies, you can create new opportunities and realities for yourself. The universe is always listening, and it responds to the energy you put out. In essence, the law of attraction is about tuning into the right frequency, just like a radio, by aligning your emotions, visualizing your desires, and practicing detachment. It's not magic. It's about using the science of energy and vibration to co-create your reality. To recap, set clear intentions by visualizing or scripting your desires. Align your emotions with the feeling of already having what you want. Practice detachment, trusting the universe to handle the rest. By embracing these principles, you'll be able to transform your reality in ways you may never have imagined. Whether it's a new career, a fulfilling relationship, or personal growth, manifestation is a tool that can unlock infinite possibilities. So, what are you manifesting in your life right now? Let's discuss. And remember, the universe is listening, always.